Hair loss can be a source of frustration and self-consciousness for many individuals. From hair loss to dryness, brittleness, or excess frizz, those factors can affect one's self-esteem and overall well-being. Hair loss is a common concern for men and women. It can be caused by various factors like genetics, nutritional deficiencies, medical conditions, or hormonal imbalances. In this video, I'll discuss the impact of keratin and its benefit of hair health. Hello and welcome to my channel SG Health and Wellness. I am Swati, Doctor of Natural Medicine and Holistic Nutritionist. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Keratin is the fibrous protein that makes up the structure of our hair. It provides the elasticity, strength, and resistance to damage. Excessive heat styling, chemical treatments, and environmental damage can lead to depleted keratin level, resulting in dry, brittle, and unmanageable hair. Keratin itself is naturally produced by the body. There are several natural ingredients that can help production and maintenance of the healthy keratin in the body. Protein-rich foods. Consuming a diet rich in high-quality protein includes lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, nuts, seeds, legumes provide the necessary building blocks for keratin production. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is a water-soluble vitamin, plays a role in the synthesis of keratin. It can be found naturally in food such as eggs, nuts, seeds, fish, meats, and whole grains. Omega-3 fatty acids such as fatty fish, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnut are essential for overall hair health. They help maintain a healthy scalp and promote the production of healthy keratin. Collagen is another protein that is important for hair. It provides structural support. Several vitamins and minerals play a role in the synthesis and maintenance of keratin. These include vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, zinc, copper, iron, etc. Foods such as citrus fruits, berries, leafy greens, carrots, sweet potatoes, nuts, seeds, seafoods can provide essential nutrients. These natural ingredients can support the healthy keratin production, but the ability to produce keratin is also influenced by the genetic factors and overall health. A balanced diet is essential for healthy keratin synthesis.